Yet here at the UN, we hear a very different story. We just heard a very long speech. The representative of Iran tells us their nuclear program is exclusively peaceful. Ambassador Ravani says Iran is only targeting military sites. You just heard him. He said it. Mr. President, that is simply not true. Mr. Ravani, you and your regime are lying to all of us.
The realities on the ground and deliberately ignore the root causes of the current crisis. The very purpose of this biased and politically motivated text, which was pushed by Israeli regime and the United States, is clear: to reverse the roles and position of victims and aggressors. It rewards the regimes of the United States and Israel.
Over the past week, Iran's representative has sent letter after letter to the Security Council. In fact, here they are, 15 letters, one at least every day, each repeating the same accusations, letters that even blame Israel and the US. You know, you have the audacity to call us terrorists. Mr. Ravani, before making such accusations, you might want to look in the mirror.